today is the first day of the exhibition. We will show you our latest model of the multi-head weigher. Please have a look. This is our latest model. It's a 4G plus alternate weigher.
The next weigher I want to do.
This weigher is quite different because the weigher is directly sitting on the packaging machine, and the weigher will the total height is less than 4 meters, and this weigher is less placeholder and without using the platform. So from the top, we are using the springless hooper. The hooper design is more quickly and accurately, and also reduce the noise level. Then also our feeding hooper, we're using the 3 liters double doors open, and the weighing hooper, we're using the single door open. And that will be compared to the traditional one. This will be adding more products during the production. Applications on such as perfume foods, snack, and candy, exactly. And then we're using the independent collecting chute design. And this is much increases our packaging speed. Can reach maximum 150 packs per minute. Also, we're using the four size machine space, which could improve the stability of the machine. And for our system, we're using the 4G plus system. All the parameters can be adjustable easily in the screen. We also have the HD camera to check the material falling situation. Also, we have the USB data transfer, and we have the PC internet online connection. Also, our machines is reached the IP66 waterproof level. This can be washed by the water for the production. Also, this is our new device. This is a metal detector between our weigher and the packaging machine. During the production, if the product contain with the metal or not, the detector will be sent. If the product have the metal, the machine will be keep flashing and tell us which one have the metal. So this is our high-speed vertical packaging machine. Speed can be up to 200 packs per minute. And this is suitable for using wide field is 130 mm to the 510 mm. And our former tuber and the former shoulder is using one tube design, which is very convenient to have customer to change over by using without the tube. Also, we have all the doors. We have the integrate the switch safety device. When the operators open the door, the device and we're using the 10 inches HMI, which is more easier to use. Parameters and the functions are just machine.